Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve KRNL, failed to find a Roblox process. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so failed to find Roblox process. So the very first thing you should do here is to go to the search icon and then type task manager. Now if you see a Roblox client here or Roblox game client, what you're going to do is to simply tap that, right click, and then end task. Suppose that this one is a Roblox game client. Okay, right click and end task. So that's the very first thing you should do. Next thing to do here is to just simply exit this one. Now go to the search icon again and then type run. Follow this 1% app data person symbol. Now here, if you see a folder that says KRNL, or if you see a KRNL folder here, what you're going to do is to simply delete that one. Once you have deleted it, the next thing you're going to do is to tap app data, okay, and then look for a local folder. Okay, tap this one. Now simply type R to find Roblox. Okay, tap and then look for logs. And what we're going to do here is to simply delete all of this. Okay, so Control A, delete, or you can simply click delete or delete the folder itself. The very last thing to do is to go back to the search icon and then kindly type virus and defender, okay, or virus and threat protection. And what you're going to do here is to simply turn off any antivirus application. And after doing any of this method here, go back to your Roblox and see if it fixed the problem. KRNL failed to find Roblox process. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.